Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the thumbs up and thumbs down icons in NotebookLM. So one of the things that's important to understand about artificial intelligence tools like this is how they get better at what they do. And the main way that they get better is they get trained. Well, NotebookLM is more of a personalized artificial intelligence notebook, but you can actually take control, or at least a little bit, in terms of how it gets trained. So if you look down at the end of the response, you have a thumbs up and a thumbs down. And what this allows you to do is for whatever response it gives you based on the prompt you gave it, you can determine if it's a good response, if it meets the criteria, or if something's wrong with it. You can do that as well. So if you decide that it is a good response, you can click on good response. If it's a bad response, you can click on bad response. And then you can actually provide feedback for what specifically did you notice about the response that makes you think it's a bad response. And you have a number of options here pre-made, or you can add your own feedback. If you click on good response, it doesn't really give you that. It doesn't ask you for a description of why it was good because it just looks at it and says, okay, that was good. But you can use that to train your chat bot to sort of understand what you like more, what you don't like, even if it's something that you're not using directly in the prompts that you submit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.